Number 11. You know, maybe I did this out of order. I probably should have done this one earlier. I'm not going to play for this. I'm just going to lean forward and say, what's this going to be all about? Obviously, jazz violin, but the tone this is going to take, the approach I'm going to take with this whole series is going to be this. It's going to be about my understanding of jazz. Of course, it's going to be heavily influenced by my experience, my personality, I guess, or lack of it, you might think too. My aha moments, and it's going to be filtered through all that has been me the last almost 60 years on this planet I've been here. So at this point, so and the thousands upon thousands of gigs and things I've learned from them. I think I've played over 6,000 gigs so far. So, and I played in all kinds of places, all kinds of situations, in all kinds of styles, not just jazz. Although I approached them all as a jazz mentality. It doesn't mean I was playing bebop licks over the top of a Cajun tune. I wasn't doing that. I was playing what's for the gig. But to me, that was jazz too. Just tapping in, hearing what you want to play, and playing that. And that is true greatness. So this is primarily going to be pushing you towards that as I tell you the techniques and the exact technical knowledge, the mechanics of how this stuff works. So watch for my ahas, and I'll share anything I can think of at any time that helped me boost me along. All right? See you next one.